Okay guys, this is my wife's 2016 Ford Escape, and it throwed a P1450 code, which is, it's an evaporation code, but from what research and stuff she done, we believe it's the purge valve. And so today we're going to put a new purge valve on. I don't know how much y'all are going to be able to see because it's tight and not a whole lot I can show you, but I'll show you what I can as I go. But so if you've got this is a 2.0 liter. If your engine bay looks like this is what you've got to. First, you just want to pop this cover off. I'll try to stay out of the camera as much as possible too, so you can see what I'm doing. I've already popped one of the clips loose down at the bottom. It's one of these right here. There's there's 4 of these type connections. To get them loose, I've got this is an old Craftsman hook that I've had forever. But it's got a little catch in there. You can pull that. But be careful, pop both sides loose. You don't have to pull it all the way off. See how it just kind of popped loose there? Then you push in on this button here, it'll come off. Just like that. And there's 4 of these connections. But the purge valve is actually down under here. I watched one video, the guy took the shroud and everything off. I'm gonna try not to do that. So we'll just see where we get. So I'm gonna jerk the air box loose, jerk this off to where I can see the purge valve, and we'll go from there. Way back in there. And I'm not gonna be able to reach that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. To get it off, let me just turn the camera so I can show you what I'm doing as I go. They are a 15mm slot. Right here. It holds your brick fluid reservoir on the right star bit. It's a T25. Alright, now got these little clips right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm using that same little tool. Just grab them. Well, screwdriver may be better. Take a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead, and then just kind of wiggle it and they'll pop out. There's the clips. And this whole section will just pop right up. It clips down in under the windshield. Just be careful not to break the clips. And then you've got, I think, 2 more 10mm bolts right there. It's right there. And here's the other one. Now this should slide out. Now, the purge valve. Sorry about that. For some reason, the camera just cut off. But there's one down here that I'm probably going to have to go to the bottom to get it. Actually snapped it loose, so just got to get down there and get it loose. My advice on that one, excuse me, my advice on that one, 2 screwdrivers. One to push the little button up, another one to pull it off. And this other one, I am not even sure where it's at. Got them all loose except for one. As you can see, it's gonna be rough. It is under that intake. I can't push that button. Okay, hold that thought. I'll be back. Okay, I finally got it off. I had to cram my hand up under this intake to get on it. It was not easy. But that's it. That's the whole apparatus. So then you just put it back the same way. This one right here hooks back in there, back up there. This one hooks right here. And then this one hooks down there. And this one right here is the one that goes under this intake over here. And yeah, it's a booger to get out. So good luck. So now install the new one. I'm going to install the hardest one first. I'm going to try to. I can get it back in there. Oh yeah, it was on a whole lot easier than it come off. And just reattach your clips as you go, guys, because if you don't, you're taking a chance on it getting into the motor or something like that. Kind of keeps everything tight and neat. And push these little green tabs back down after you pop them up on the fittings. Trying to get everything pushed back kind of like it was. And if you'll do that, you can kind of tell where everything goes too. I left this bracket on mine. This bracket right here, I didn't take it off. So I'm just gonna slip it out of that rubber boot and slip it up on the original one. It's not gonna hurt anything. Don't forget your wire connection right here. I'll pop mine back in before I ever get down there. Put them on, you just push till it clicks, and then pop the green thing back over it. One more back here in the back. that's it. All right, guys. Only thing left is putting your cover back on. Covering your wiper blades, put your wiper blades on, same way they come off. Same way with the cover, so I won't bore y'all with all that. But that's what it takes to put a purge valve on a 2016 Ford Escape. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, follow. Give me a thumbs up when you subscribe. Thanks for watching.